Okay, so this is the first video for 108, creating links. I went ahead and watched the video. All I did was skip to the end so that it would turn blue. I took the quiz so that it would turn blue. I looked at the example so it would turn blue. And now I'm on this one, which is 2.4.4, search engine links. So it gives you an example up here. Ahref equals HTTPS, Google, and then it's got Google there. And if we look over here at our output, which I know that you guys still can't see it right now, but the Google one actually works like a link, but these other ones don't. It still shows the web page and everything like that. So what we need to do, as we can see here, they had Google after the website, but in these other ones they gave us, they put the words before the website, so we need to correct that. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to Command X to cut it, and then I'm going to put it at the end here. And then I'm going to add Ahref equals quotation marks HTTPS bing.com, put close quotation marks there, and then a close. And you see that it has this little A. It already creates that for you. So I can just take the Bing and I can Command X to cut it, and then I'll put it right there, paste it. And then if I refresh my output, now Google and Bing are both links. So I'll do the same thing with this one here. Ahref equals quotation marks, and I'll put close quotation marks and a close marker. I'm going to take Yahoo, Command X to cut it, and I'll put it there, Command V to paste. And if I refresh, now we see that Bing and Yahoo are on the same line, and we don't want that. So right here where there's empty space, I'm going to put a BR break tag to create a break. And then if I refresh now it puts them all in a row. And then I'll do the last one for DuckDuckGo. Ahref equals quotation marks, close quotation marks, close tag symbol, and then Command X to cut the DuckDuckGo, Command paste right there. And then I know I'm going to have to put a break in here, so I'll go ahead and put a break in there. Now, if you accidentally so here, I'll look. Okay, now it all looks correct. And I'll go to test cases. I'm not going to click check code yet, because what if I accidentally deleted DuckDuckGo? And I go in and I type it in. And then I go to my output and I check that. And then I go to my test case and I click check code. It says, uh-oh, make sure you have DuckDuckGo between the opening and closing A tags. Well, I do have DuckDuckGo, but when I typed it back in, I did not capitalize the two D's and the G. So you're going to have to fix that if you accidentally do that. Capitalization and spelling does matter. So if I fix that and then I check the code now, I should have all greens. So I click submit and continue. It gives me the little, confetti thing. Everything's green. I click submit and continue, and it should take me to the next assignment.